this In the Wild with Chris. In this film I'm going to show you how to make a easy emergency bivouac where the only tool you need is a knife. Start by finding a good location for your shelter. Consider the terrain. Avoid locations on too steep hillsides where you might risk getting flooded from rains. Also avoid locations too low where moisture and cold air will collect. Look for trees that are thick enough to keep rain and snow from getting through, and where the ground is fairly dry underneath. As walls for the shelter, I use fir branches. They are good because they are thick and give you good shelter from the wind as well as a waterproof cover. Clear the lower branches and twigs, but keep them for kindling and firewood. Stack up larger branches for the structure and make a grid for the fir branches to rest on. While you're building, test the size to make sure you fit inside. It doesn't have to be comfortable, just enough to protect you from wind, rain and snow. Also, the smaller it is, the easier it will be to keep fairly warm. Remember to adjust your clothing as you work. If your clothes get too sweaty, they will not warm you as well when it's time to hunker down. When you've got the grid of branches put up to the right size, you start adding the fir branches, starting from the bottom and layering them upwards. Don't skimp on the fir branches. Make sure you fill all gaps that can let through wind, rain and snow. When you're finished building, gather up a lot of firewood that will last you through the night. Put all your clothes back on, start the fire, and hunker in to remain warm. Well, I hope you found that useful. If you did, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.